Trade Confident family, yet another historic day in the price action of Bitcoin. As of today, we have not even very nearly, we're actually past it now. We have surpassed $72,500 and are now sitting at $72,600. It's only a matter of time before we hit the quarters level theory of $75,000. And from there, $100,000 is absolutely in the picture. Big runs up are coming for Bitcoin, but on the intraday charts, we need to be careful because historically, and by historically, I mean the last couple of weeks, every time we've hit a new all-time high, it's actually resulted in moves back to the downside, only temporarily between a 16 to 5% move down before the next all-time high. Let me show you exactly what we're going to be looking for over the next week or so as we get closer and closer to that $75,000 level. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Multiple rapid fire announcements really quickly here. Stay tuned. Our indicator sale is on. Up to $650 off our indicators, and this ends March 22nd. Snag the cheapest discount we've had on our indicators so far with over 5,500 downloads and counting. You will not be alone. Tons of traders are using these indicators every single day. More on this later. Next up, back to the homepage. We are now 155 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Let's check out the membership Telegram. As we scroll up here, we're going to top out. We see a trade win here for 5% on Atom. Scrolling down, we see a 5% trade win on ApeCoin. And lastly, as we scroll a little bit farther down, a 5% trade win on XRP. Now, we have 3 brand new trade setups. These are actually going to be closer to 7% profit potential. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, thank you to our 68 brand new traders with Trade Confident. We so look forward to trading with you. If you are new with us, please be sure to leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. And with that, let's get started in the analysis. I'm going to scroll down straight to the Bitcoin metrics to begin today with the emotional index. Now, over the weekend, we dropped down into excited territory and bottomed out just a day or two after the price itself bottomed out. Now, I've been telling you, a reading even in excited territory is going to be very bullish. Even the slightest hint of bullish movement or sentiment on these indicators is going to indicate larger moves to the upside just because of how significantly ETFs are buying into the market. So even slightly, even getting close to neutral was bullish over the weekend. Next up, we're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Bitcoin broke a massive downtrend that was creating crazy bearish sentiment. As Bitcoin whales were actually trending downwards on the whale money flow relative to price chart, the price itself was increasing. This creates bearish divergence. And what this means to you as a trader is typically there should have been pretty strong springboard action down, but this is not what happened. As you can see here from this downtrend, over the past couple of days, we saw Bitcoin whales actually trading within a very small area. This means that we've officially broken above this structural resistance on the metric. And in that case, this is much more bullish. This uptrend now has the support of whales. As long as we continue forming higher highs and higher lows, and whale money is trending upwards in the market, we can expect insane moves to the upside from Bitcoin. Now, last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. In the intro, I told you I'm going to be talking about each of the new all-time highs that we've hit and the market reaction to that. Now, the first one had a pretty significant move down as we hit a sell signal. If we see another sell signal, especially on the 4-hour time frame, which I'm going to show you in the live charts, we can expect another little tiny flash crash before the next all-time high. Keep a lookout for that. If you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics. They're updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And as a member, you're going to get access to the metrics for Bitcoin along with all other 20 coins on our website. As a member, you can join us for our members-only future forecast videos. Members-only content there you do not want to miss out. Brand new trade setups, as I showed you, 3 of them for 7% profit potential each that you can join us for. Members get the massive discounts, much larger than non-members, for our indicator sale this spring. and many more benefits. If you want to join us, links to our membership are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. But hurry, because you have only a little bit over a month to snag the membership at this price. Soon, we're going to be posting a $65 a month membership. Price increases are coming soon, but if you buy in at the current price, you get to stay at that price. Members get access to everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. Before we dive into the live charts, some news. Microstrategy buys another 12,000 Bitcoin after raising over $800 million from convertible notes. This is a massive buy. Keep in mind, Bitcoin only creates about 900 more a day. Let me correct that really quickly. Miners create 900 Bitcoin a day as they continue mining Bitcoin blocks. If we go over to the calculator, I've already posted this real quick, but this is a 13.3 times buy over the amount of Bitcoin that is produced in a single day. Now, this is just MicroStrategy. There are companies like Blackrock, ARK Invest, Grayscale, and more that are buying just as much, if not more, Bitcoin every single day. This is what's causing the massive moves up. There is an active supply shock in the making, especially with the halving event coming up, and this has created massive moves up in Bitcoin, multiple new all-time highs over the past couple of weeks, with today posting as high as, if we scroll in here, let me actually zoom in, increase that resolution, of course, bringing us to our current all-time high now of $72,624. Now, our previous all-time high sat at $70,199, at least on the Coinbase exchange, right about here. And in that same day, we saw a massive crash before continuing to the upside. I'm kind of excited to show you guys this, so I'm going to move straight into the next segment. Right here, you're seeing the previous all-time highs of Bitcoin, and by all-time highs, I mean the last couple of weeks worth of time at their tops and their bottoms, how much they moved down, and what we should be expecting. This was the first break of all-time high in over 2 years. Immediately, keep in mind 4-hour time frame here, within the same day after we topped out, the price of Bitcoin dropped 16%, creating a structure support here. From there, we moved on to create a new all-time high. Again, within this time period, we saw a massive drop, about 5% within the same 8-hour period. Until then, after that, we moved all the way up to create yet another all-time high, dropping all the way down to about 4% within 24 hours. You can see a pattern here. Bitcoin is making massive moves up, even larger moves down before creating a new high, new low, new high, new low, over and over again. This is, honestly, it's just simply an uptrend. That's really what it is. Higher highs, higher lows, continuously moving upwards. Now what I'm going to do here, it's really important that I show you this. I want to show you the reactions from our indicators on each of these points. As we topped out to create the very first all-time high here, we got price versus money flow high, we got trades in favor high, we got a sell and a strong sell signal. The vast majority of the time, this is going to result in significant moves to the downside. That's exactly what we got. A little bit of a flash move back up as we saw a massive buy wall right around the $60,000 level. After that, we saw whale money cruising out of the market very, very quickly here. This scared retail traders like crazy. It liquidated a lot of long trades, in fact, and caused a flash crash to the downside. Long traders were liquidated. This is why we didn't see as much of a drop on the 4-hour for the price versus money flow. But we saw trades in favor low and then got a strong buy signal. Any two indicators out of these three that match up are usually going to be a pretty solid signal. So strong buy with trades in favor low, saw a massive move to the upside. Later on, whale money actually did bottom out where we saw price versus money flow low as well. This was another great buy opportunity. Right about here, we saw the next top. We got price versus money flow high. We got trades in favor high. Sell and strong sell signals saw the next move down. Another great buy opportunity right here. Price versus money flow low. Trades in favor not quite as low as I'd like, but we are seeing significant moves to the upside at this point. And as whale money continues moving into the market, and as trades in favor gets higher and higher, we're going to be looking for another sell or strong sell signal to call the top before the next move back to the downside. Keep in mind, 4-hour time frame at this point is what we're watching. If we head to the 1-day, we are still seeing some honestly more bearish signals as well. We see price versus one money flow high. We see trades in favor high. No surprises there. And as the price continues rising up, I think as we reach the $75,000 level, this is where we're going to see some pretty significant moves back to the downside, as low as $70,199. I think we're going to see a candle open and close above this $70,199 line, officially creating a breakout, at which point we can make this line green to represent structure support. Not quite there yet. Will be soon though. That is what we're looking for. Move up to $75,000 over the next couple of days with a little flash crash back down to $70,000 before we continue our uptrend. A little bit of a switch up. We had been calling a possible move down as far down as $60,000. It's still possible. I don't want to say it's impossible, but based on the current trends, I don't think we should be expecting massive moves down at this point. We are switching to completely bullish, and as we move into the halving event, especially with Grayscale, Blackrock, Valkyrie, ARK Invest, many whale investors investing into the market like crazy, far surpassing the daily amount of Bitcoin mined. As Bitcoin hits its halving event, it's going to cut that supply in half, creating an even larger supply shock, sending the price of Bitcoin skyrocketing simply due to the laws of supply and demand. As this plays out, and if you want to be accumulating Bitcoin along with the whales, you can see whales are dropping the price, moving it up, dropping the price to accumulate, moving it up, dropping the price to accumulate over and over and over again. If you want to be able to keep up with whales, you're going to want to snag these indicators. TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trades in favor indicators are on sale right now until March 22nd for our spring sale. We're going to get you up to $650 off. Now, if you want to snag these indicators, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our spring sale page. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at this link, then you're going to want to click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership sale code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you that extra $400, bringing you to a full $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in our membership for the brand new membership trades and tomorrow's future forecast. Don't miss out.